Only Local 10 News is speaking with the former First Lady of Haiti about her husband's assassination, her recovery, and the country's future.
Here's a first look at Calvin Hughes' exclusive interview with Martine Moise.
It was a late August morning, with a security team by her side. The First Lady agreed to meet at an undisclosed location in South Florida.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
It had been more than a month since men armed with military-style rifles burst through their bedroom door, shooting her and killing her husband.
The bullet that I received, I lost the elbow, so that doesn't exist anymore.
Martine Moise describing her injuries from gunshots that were meant to take her life.
Here also is broken. So the nerve, they couldn't put them together.
Haiti's First Lady has had 4 surgeries to repair the wounds to her body.
How many times were you shot?
2, 4, 6, I think 7 or 8.
2 bullets breaking her ribs and nerve tissue taken from her right leg and placed into her right arm so that she's able to have use of her hand and fingers.
Can you wiggle your fingers at all?
Yes, I can. I can now, but I couldn't before. I will get rid of that.
Oh, you'll get rid of it.
But the end will never be straight.
Yes.
It always be like that. There's always be a curve.
It seems a miraculous recovery from the July afternoon when Martine Moise was placed on an emergency flight to Jackson Memorial Hospital.
Most people who are watching, who will watch this, couldn't imagine the pain that you endured, not only that night, the physical pain that you endured, but also the emotional pain that comes along with that.
I passed a whole week, without sleeping, without eating, only drinking water.
It would be a nurse who inspired her to finally eat.
And while I'm eating, I said, what, if he was alive, what he would wanted me to do right now? To keep falling down that hole, or to start getting better? And I realized he always wants me to be happy. And I think that my healing process is him.
She found strength in their memories together, but it would be their children who made her fight.
I was dying. I was dying after the week. I feel like dying because that's what I wanted, to die. And when I look in their eyes too, and I saw them dying with me, and I didn't want that.
Wow. Well, you can see Calvin's full exclusive interview with Martine Moise this Wednesday night at 8, and there's only one place to watch, and that's right here on Local 10.